This is Michael, and he'll be showing you how to properly handle a Magnus tripod. First, let's go over what the parts of the tripod are. This is the tripod head. This is where the camera is attached to the tripod. It consists of the base plate, release lever, the tilt/pan bar, tilt lock, and pan lock. The base plate, also known as a quick release plate or a foot, is the part that keeps the camera attached to the tripod head. To remove it, push the release lever all the way until it locks in place. Once this is done, the base plate should pop off and you can slide it out. Next, look at the bottom of your camera. There should be a hole at the bottom. This is where we screw in the base plate. Simply line up the mounting screw and twist right to fasten it. Remember, your base plate should be in line with your lens, not your camera body. When you've twisted as much as you could, check to see if the base plate wiggles. If it wiggles, it isn't tight enough. After you're done attaching the base plate to the camera, it's time to attach it to the tripod head. Simply reverse the process you used to take the base plate off. With the release lever still in place, bring the camera in at a diagonal angle and push down. The lever should snap back and lock the base plate in place. The handle is used to adjust the pan and tilt of your tripod. To adjust the tilt, loosen the tilt lock and move the handlebar up or down. To adjust the pan, loosen the pan lock and move the handlebar left or right. Now that the camera is secured to the tripod, let's go over the body. The body of the tripod consists of a neck, legs, clamps, feet, neck lock, neck crank, and leg lock. When opening the clamps, the legs extend, making the tripod taller. The same thing can be done with the neck, by releasing the neck lock and turning the crank until the neck is at the desired height. The most effective and also safest way to adjust the legs of the tripod is to close them all together, open the clamps for the portions you wish to adjust, starting from the top and going down, and adjusting them all at once. Adjusting them all one by one is unsafe when you have a camera attached, and is also very time consuming. You should also be using the tripod with the legs open. When the legs are open, the tripod is stable, and there's less risk of it being knocked over. Note that you can move the leg lock anywhere on the middle shaft. However, doing this decreases the stability of the tripod, so you should only use the tripod when the leg lock is fully extended and at the bottom of the middle shaft. If you look at the feet of the tripod, you'll see that they're made of rubber and easily removable. If they ever are detached, just pop them back on. If you cannot find the feet, let your instructor know so that they can get a replacement. If you need to move the tripod across the room or short distances, just reduce the leg size to one that's comfortable for you using the method shown before. Then, just pick it up and walk it to its new destination. Do not move the tripod with the legs open or fully extended. If you're crowded, you'll be moving slowly and awkwardly, and you'll definitely bump into a lot of things along the way. You'll also probably damage the tripod. If you need to move long distances but are still filming for the day, just reduce the tripod to its smallest form. If you're done filming, completely close the tripod and remove the camera from the base plate. Remember to put the plate back on the tripod, not just in the bag. When putting the tripod back in the bag, put the feet in first with the base plate facing the Magnus logo that is on the tripod bag. There you have it. You now know how to use this tripod. Now get out there and film something.